Hi there, welcome back to another morning yoga flow video. If you are wanting to start your day with a yoga practice, then this video is for you. All you need is a yoga mat, yourself, probably a wall, and a will to practice with me. So let's get started. To start with, sit comfortably in any posture. You can take the wall support if you have to. And then sit comfortably, hands to the heart center or over your knees. Close your eyes if you haven't already and align yourself with your breathing pattern. Let your breath feel you home. As you inhale and exhale, you are not rushing, you are not slowing down. And once you feel more centered, start making some gentle movements and open your eyes. Rotate your wrists to warm up your wrists really well. Take them hands to the sides of your body. Make it as high and as parallel you can. Interlock your fingers. Bring it above your head. Stretch it in a line. Inhale here, and as you exhale, you bend it to the side. Come back. Again, exhale. Inhale back to center. Inhale again. And exhale to your right side. Inhale, center. Exhale. Back to center and release your palms. Now take your hands to the sides of your body and just start making some rolls using your shoulder blades and keep your arms really strong to the side of your body. Start making some big circles clockwise and anti-clockwise. 5 to 10 rounds should be good enough. Now place your left palm to support yourself and use your right hand to align to the right side to give a good nice stretch. Take your right leg and extend as far as you can. Keep your sit bones really grounded and let your body awaken and feel the stretch. Feel it really well. Now take your right hand over your right shin bone or grab the right big toe and give a good gentle stretch to the other side of the body while extending the left hand to the left side. With the exhale, you come back to the center, release the hands, and of course, change your legs. This time, fold the right one and eventually extend the left one really far away. Place the right elbow down and support yourself and extend it and feel the stretch to the left side of the body. Hold it up there and keep breathing. And then with exhale, bring the left hand over the left big toe or over the shin bone. Right hand stretching all the way to the right side to take it to the left side and give a good nice stretch to the right side of the body. Remember to keep your sit bones grounded over the yoga mat. Now come to all your fours where your palms and shoulders are in a line and hips and knees are in a line. Place your palms really tight up and start moving your body clockwise and anti-clockwise. Have a good grip using your hands. Extend one hand at a time. Come back. Extend the right hand again, keeping the left intact, knees as it is. Now use the left palm, extend all the way as far as you can. Do it again. Again, come back to the center. Now start moving your wrist to the other side of the palm. Extend your toes at the back and feel the good, gentle, deep stretch in your wrists. Feel all the tickling sensation in and around your wrists and in your fingers, eventually in your entire arm. Sit back over your heels and just give a good stretch to your wrist. And back to all four. Inhale, look up. And exhale all the way, look at the navel and round your spine. Inhale, extend. Exhale, curl your spine. Inhale again. Exhale. Do it 5 to 10 rounds. Inhale. As you exhale, try to exhale all the way from internally from your body. Inhale longer and exhale even longer. And inhale, take your left leg at the back, extend it. Inhale here again and exhale, push it back over the ground. Push the hamstring, use your core and hip strength to push the leg back while having the palms really grounded and stable. Again, right side, extend the right leg at the back and stretch it all the way back. Inhale and exhale, push it back. Inhale again and bring it back to the neutral position. Now, as you inhale, you lift up your knees and exhale, you bring down your knees with control. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, with control, bring it down. Inhale, lift up and try to push the body weight forward. Exhale, come down. Sit up straight in Vajrasana. Now from here, lift off your knees off the yoga mat and get into a downward facing dog. Paddle your knees. Really nice. Hold it up there. Really well. Then inhale, bring the right foot next to the right palm. Hold the lizard stretch. And eventually you can drop the back knee if that feels really hard on you. And hold it up there. Use your hand to support you. Look further away from the shoulder. Now bring back the knee. Now bring the left foot next to the left palm. Use your hand over the left knee and give a good gentle twist in the lizard stretch. And then bring the left leg back again. Bring the right foot in between both the palms. Square your hips. Use the wall support if you have to. Use your hands over the hips. Center yourself. Hold the lower lunge. Go as low as you can. And continue breathing. And then eventually get into a half split pose. Now change the leg. Again, get into a lower lunge. Do the same drill from the left side. Use wall for support or hands over the hips. Lower down your hips and breathe. Breathe nicely. Extend and bend into half split. Hold it up there and then eventually lie down over your belly on the yoga mat. Place your hands next to the shoulder. Keep your elbows close to your body. And with inhale, lift up your torso as much as you can with your ease. And with exhale, gently lower down. Again with inhale, this time lift up little higher than the last time. Hold. Breathe. Remember to keep the shoulder away from the ear and exhale, lower down. Fold one leg at a time and bring it close to your glutes. Push the heel down and feel the good stretch in your entire hamstring. Change the leg. and breathe nicely. Now relax in Makarasana. By keeping the toes pointed at the back, relax really well. Now from here, gently lie down over your back on the yoga mat. Just change the side. Fold the feet together, bring it close to your hips, and then hands over your belly and try to grasp the heels or place them next to your hips. As you inhale, you lift up your hips up in the bridge pose and hold the pose and continue breathing. Every time you inhale and exhale, keep the hip really up high using your core muscle. Do not squeeze your abdomen, and with exhale, lower down. Again, readjust yourself, and with inhale, again lift up. This time, try to hold it for a little longer than the last time and try to engage your abdominal muscle. As you inhale and exhale, you let your body feel it and hold really nice. And with the exhale, lower down your bridge pose and bring the right knee close to your chest while extending the left leg down, pushing it really down on the yoga mat. Now change the leg, this time for the left side, and extend the right leg eventually. Bring it close to the chest and extend the right one again. Bring it all the way down to the yoga mat. Breathe and extend. Now from here, start folding one leg at a time and roll the heel down in the yoga mat. This will help you to feel the movement in your lower back. Do it very mindfully while engaging and using the core. Now extend the legs to the sides of the yoga mat and close your eyes and relax in Savasana. This will help you to gather all the energy to start your day with lots of positivity and with lots of good, high quality energy. Place your hands at the heart center or over your belly, or you can also place right next to your body while palm is facing up the ceiling. Use this time to actively relax and make any last adjustments in your physical body, and just try to listen to my instructions very carefully. Breathe really well. As you inhale, your belly goes up, and as you exhale, your belly goes down. Inhale, exhale. Inhale. With the longer exhale, you feel the belly is going down. Let your whole leg feeling relaxed, comfortable over the yoga mat. Your feet is very active and aligned with your practice and just feeling completely relaxed in the moment. Your entire spine, each and every vertebra is relaxing and working for you. Your entire hand, your palms, your shoulder blades, your back of the body completely feeling relaxed. Your abdomen is going up and down as you are breathing, but also feeling relaxed. Your chest is open, ready to face the day, and relaxed and composed and in your control. Your facial expressions are relaxed, comfortable, and you are feeling rejuvenated through this practice. Your head may be thinking something else, but try to bring back to the current moment. Let go of all those thoughts and let your head feel relaxed, away from all the pain. Feel the relaxation and tell yourself a big thank you for choosing to show up to practice this. You have taken a step ahead to start your day better. And promise yourself to show up more often, as much as you can, to make your days better and better so that you can face all the day, all the challenges with a positive mindset. Let your whole body relax. Let all the thoughts go away from you. Let them be the way they are. Do not judge them. Do not entertain it. Just let it go and relax. Tell yourself it's going to be a great day. I am ready to face this day. I will make this day my a best day, a great day. You can continue to practice this as long as you want if you have time, or you can end this practice whenever you want. If you have liked anything about this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And like I always say, keep practicing. I will see you in the next video. Until next time, take care, and I will definitely see you in the next video. Okay, bye.